Now that you have come to terms with the benefits of gold, let us explore the types of gold available for you to begin your investment. There are two types of gold investment available: physical gold and paper gold. Physical gold are gold investments that let you keep your actual gold, whilst paper gold does not. Physical gold investments are through gold coins and gold bars investment. Let us explore the physical gold investment. Firstly, gold coins. It is one of the most convenient and portable forms of gold available. There are multiple choices of gold coins available for your taking. However, you are recommended to buy only international hallmark coins with 99.99% purity of gold. Hallmark labeled gold coins are instantly recognizable and liquid around the world for their gold content uniformity. Some of the most widely traded hallmark gold coins across the globe are the U.S. Gold Eagle, U.S. American Buffalo, South African Krugerrand, and Canadian Maple Leaf. Colorized gold coins such as the colorized Australian Gold Monkey coin and colorized gold lunar year of the rooster are available as well. The price of an ounce of gold coin is US dollars 1,322.82 as at the time of the period of my research. Each of these coins should contain 1 troy ounce of actual gold content, but since pure gold is slightly soft, some of them weigh just over an ounce. Hence, some of the coins, a small amount of alloy is added to make it sturdier. Where should you look for gold coins? Most gold coins are available at any distinguished jewelry shops near you. Be sure to look them up online if they have their own websites. Next is the bank. Most banks will offer gold coins if certified hallmarks stated previously. There's also the gold bullion dealers. These dealers are available online and in the land market. However, it is imperative for you to certify their reliability and reputation beforehand.